write the lesson name polynomial function. Polynomial function. Before starting the polynomial function, we have to know the concept of functions, right? So, write the subtopic function. Write the subtopic function. Right. Function is the any mathematical expression using one or more variable, right? Any mathematical expression using one or more variable. So, write the definition of function. Write down the definition of function. Function is the any mathematical expression consisting one or more variables. Examples. Number 1, x to the power 4 plus 10x cube plus 2x plus 7. Variable of this function is simple x. We can use any number of variables to write a function. S cube, y cube plus z plus 10. Variables of this function are x, y and z. Third example, s to the power half y squared plus 7x plus 2y plus 7, right? Variables of third function are x and y, right? Number 4, s squared plus 10x plus 7 divided by x plus 2. Actually speaking, there is no standard format for a function, right? Example number 5, sin x plus cos y also function, right? Right. In fifth example, variables are x and y. Write down these examples, right? Then write the subtopic notation of a function. Notation of a function. Notation of function. Notation of function. Right. X to the power 4 plus 3x plus 2. Take this function x to the power 4 plus 3x plus 2. Variable of this function is simple x. Notation of function is f open bracket x. Simple x be the name of this function. Simple x be the name of this function, x be the variable, right? Write down this example. Simple f be the name of function. Simple x be the variable, right? Other example, s cube plus y squared plus 10x plus 11. Variables of this function are x and y, x and y. Let g be the name of function, g, open bracket. We have to write all variables in this bracket, right? Variables of this function are x and y. So we have to write x and y both. G be the name of this function, x and y are variables. G be the name of function. X and y are, these are the variables. Right. Notation of function is just like your name, right? Consider the fx. There is no any mathematical operations between name of function and variable simple x. If you think fx is equal to f multiplied by simple x, it is totally wrong, right? There is no any mathematical operations between character simple f and variable simple x. It's just a symbol, right? Check second example. G open bracket x and y, right, is not equal to g multiplied by x and y, right? It's just a symbol, right? Here f be the name of first function, g be the name of second function. We can choose any character to write as a name of function. Write the subtopic. Find in value of function. Find in value of function. Find in value of function at given values of the variable. At given values of the variable. Find in value of function at given values of the variable. Question number 1. Write down this question. Let fx equal s cube plus 2x plus 3. Let fx equal s cube plus 2x plus 3. Find the value of function. Find the value of function at x equals 2. Find the values of function. Find the value of function at x equals 2. At x equal to. Fx equal s cube plus 2x plus 3. Question is asking what is the value of function at x equal to. We have to substitute x equals to after substituting x equal to, don't write fx again. After substituting x equals to, fs become f2. fs become f2 because variable of this function is 2. S cube become 2 cube, 2s become 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3, 8 plus 4 plus 3. Answer is 15. F2 equal 15, right? Write down the second question. Let wx equal s to the power 4 plus 5x plus 9. Wx equal x4 plus 5s plus 9. Find the value of function. Find the value of function wx at x equals 1. At x equals 1. Given function is wx equal s to the power 4 plus 5x plus 9. Substituting x equals 1, then wx become w1. S to the power 4 is 1 to the power 4, 5x is 5 into 1 plus 9, 1 plus 5 plus 9, answer is 15. Value of w1 is 15. Write the third question. Let gx equal x squared plus 9x plus 7. X squared plus 9x plus 7. Find the value of gx. Find the value of gx at x equals 3. At x equals 3. Given function is gx equal x square plus 9s plus 7. We have to substitute x equal 3. Then gs become g3. X squared become 3 squared, 9 into 3 plus 7, 9 plus 27 plus 7, 27 plus 9, 36 plus 7, 43, right? G3 equal 43. Actually, G3 be the value of function gx at x equal 3. Check previous example. W1 be the value of function wx at x equals 1, right?